Today I am super excited because I get to introduce to you all my new channel, Carblessly Delicious, where I share inspiration on healthy, low-carb, and keto-friendly meal prep and nutrition. I have the privilege through Carblessly Delicious to inspire others to thrive in their pursuits of maintaining healthy lifestyle. Good health begins with good nutrition. The power to transform our lives begins in our very own kitchens, feeding our bodies the dietary nutrition that it needs to maintain healthy lifestyle. In order to live life abundantly, free from diseases and illnesses and all type of health issues, it's going to take us to transform how we eat and how we feed our bodies. But the good news is that we can do that without compromising or denying ourselves the delicious taste that we love in food. It's all about learning how to prepare the foods and making wiser food choices to substitute the high carbs, the sugars, and the processed flours and pastas while enjoying many of the same dishes that we grew up on. And that's exactly what I'm going to take you all through and my new channel, Carblessly Delicious, as we explore healthy, delicious alternatives that will do our bodies good. On Tuesdays, I will be doing Tasty Treats Tuesdays, where I share healthy low-carb desserts that satisfy those sweet cravings, and that will be uploaded on every Tuesdays. So stay connected with me. I am so happy. Join me on Facebook at Carblessly Delicious. Don't forget to go to my YouTube channel. Why don't you head over there right now and subscribe? And make sure that you turn on the notification bell and select all so that you can be notified every time I upload inspiring videos. So go ahead and head over there now and visit me for delicious recipes at carblesslydelicious.com. I love you all, and may you prosper and be in good health. God bless you. I look forward to seeing you at my YouTube channel.